Hey guys, quick video going over how to extend the warranty on your JOWUA products that you've purchased. So a lot of people might not know this, but any product you get from JOWUA, it has an extended warranty option. It's just as simple as entering in the serial number that you have on the sticker that comes with your JOWUA product. And this is gonna be on any one that you buy. You see you get this little sticker with the serial code on there and the fact that you have an extended warranty option. So for electronic devices, particularly ones that have batteries in them, it's gonna be a 2-year extended warranty, whereas other products like this 1TB SSD for our glove box, we're gonna get a 4-year extended warranty on that. And that'll cover any product defect that you might run into during that period of time. All of these products come with a standard 1-year warranty, but if you would like to extend that for free, I'll show you the process on how to do this. So we can see in this area, it says go to jowa-life.com/apps/product-registration. I'll post that link down in the description. You can also scan this QR code. We're also gonna wanna make note of the serial number that is on the sticker on our products, because that is what we're gonna use to register it. So I'm gonna take you over to my computer to that product registration page to show you the next steps in this process. Now over at JOWUA's website, I'm at jowa-life.com/apps/product-registration. And again, I'll link this page down in the description so you can access it through there. And what we're gonna do is sign in to our account, or you can create one if you have not already done so. We can do this by clicking on our little profile icon here in the upper right-hand corner. And then I'm simply just gonna log in with the email that I had used to purchase my JOWUA products. I went through PayPal and I used that email, and that's what I'm gonna use for my login. So I'm gonna enter in that email and then click continue. You might get this shop pop-up as well, where it's just using my shop email and it's asking if I want to continue with this email, and I do, so I'm gonna click continue. Going back to the product registration page, and now that I'm logged in, it already has my name, email, and phone number good to go. So now I'm gonna take those serial numbers off of the back of my JOWUA products and start entering them in this area. My 1TB SSD was 19094986115, and then I'm gonna click add product. As long as I enter in that number correctly and it recognizes it, I'll get a little check mark, and I can just keep inputting these serial numbers right here. I had additionally purchased the portable air compressor, so I'm gonna enter in that serial number and then add that product. And I can continue to do this with all of my JOWUA products. And it's pretty simple to do this. All you have to do is log in to the account that you had made your order with, start entering in those serial numbers, it'll check them, and it'll extend the warranty on these products for up to 4 years, which is pretty generous, and it doesn't cost anything to do that. But that's going to bring us to the end of this video. Again, I'll post a link to jowa-life.com/apps/products-registration, which is this page that I'm currently on. You can click on that down in the description, but that'll wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more Tesla content in the future.